Hey guys, welcome to ZoloBlocks. In this block tutorial, you will be making creative team profiles using the Team Grid Block in Gutenberg. Let's go. Like always, we will start with the container block. Let's place it inside the editor, choose a single column layout, and then adjust the padding a bit. Clicking inside the blank container, search for the Team Grid Block in the pop-up block menu, and click on it to insert it. By default, you will see a grid with demo team member info as placeholders. The grid has images, names, designations, a short bio, social profiles, and a link button to the details page. And this is the first style of the Team Grid Block. You will find two more styles in the option. These are skins with different appearance styles. Right below the Styles option, 4 buttons show or hide the link button, short bio, designation, and social profiles. You can tweak these buttons to further change the content style. Then, there's an alignment option for the text content part. Down in the grid section, you can change the number of columns for the grid. There's also a gap adjustment option, which is a combination of row gaps and column gaps. In case you need to add more members to your grid, just hit the Add Team Member button below. This is a grid after all, or you can just remove it from the List View menu. Talking about the List View, you can see that the Team Grid Block is split into parent and child blocks. You have already seen the basic options inside the parent block. Now click on a child item to view the options for the child block. Now under the Basic tab, you will find a bunch of options to customize the member info. Starting with the image, let's select one from the media library or upload new images. Then below, you can change the name, designation, bio, and detail page link there. The next section is where you can add the social profiles of a member. Each social profile item lets you add a name, a logo, and a link. And you can add as many social profiles as you want. The last section is about changing the details page link button icon. Just like that, go ahead and modify all your team member grid items. Once you are done with the basics, now we can go into the Style tab to customize the appearance. Note that you can modify style options for each child item, or you can modify style for the parent item to reflect on all child items at once. So, let's do the latter. Within the Style tab, the first option under the Items section is the border. You can go ahead and add a border to your grid items with custom color, width, and border style. You can adjust the border radius to curve the edges of the item boxes. Then, with the padding option, you can determine how much space for the content you want to keep inside each item box. And there's also the margin option. Close to the bottom, the background option lets you change the item's background color. And for this, you can choose single colors as well as gradients. There's also a box shadow option right below it. Next, the content section also offers a border option, along with border radius, padding, and margin as well. As soon as you touch the background color option, you will see the area that's considered as the background for the content part. Not going to place any color for it now. Next is the photo section. Here, you can change the size of the team member images, and then continue to customize the border, radius, and padding. Next, let's go inside the name section below. Here, you can customize the typography option to style the titles. Typography has font family, size, weight, transform, spacing, etc. Take your time to make it right. And then change the color of the font. Next, in the designation field, you will find similar options, so go ahead and customize it to match the style. The same goes for the short bio as well. Next is the Social Profiles container section, and here you can modify the container margin and padding. And right after that, You can customize the social profile icons. There are options such as icon size, spacing, border, etc. Not to mention, you can change the icon color and icon separator color as well. Once you are satisfied with the layout, go ahead and publish your design. It's very easy with ZoloBlocks with you, isn't it? Also, here are some ready patterns for you, to help you extend your creativity with lots of ready patterns for Gutenberg. And that's all for this video. Thanks for staying with ZoloBlocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!